Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In this video I'll show you secret codes you can use on this smartphone. The first secret code we are going to use is email info. In order to access it, go to smartphone, enter dial and type Next, we can enter testing menu. In order to do it, type Here you can check phone information, and Wi-Fi information. The next secret code is calendar. In order to access it, type Next, we are going to enter FCM diagnostics. Next, we can find charging and battery information. Next, we can check VO Wi-Fi carrier check enabled. And in the end, we can find about info. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.